Now, many of you may think of law, and you hear the state pass a law, and you think, okay, well, it's now set in stone, we have to obey this law. But something people don't understand is that the Constitution is still at play. Where does the authority to write law come from? The authority to write law, at least at the state level, comes from the state constitution. And what allows a state constitution to exist? What allows a state to even be considered a state? That'd be the federal constitution. What does that mean? It means that in order for a state law to be even considered valid, I know some of you may have a problem with the word even, but nonetheless, if for a state law to be considered valid, it has to first pass the muster of the state constitution. If it violates the state constitution, that state law has no valid authority, and it's your duty to disobey that law. Furthermore, if a law is in compliance with the state constitution, but is out of compliance with the federal constitution, that law is still invalid. At the time of each state becoming a state, they agreed that they will abide by the federal constitution. So the way that many states get around this is by seeking to pass amendment to their state constitutions after the fact, ex post facto, which is Latin for after the fact. They try to change their constitution after getting access as a state. This is the mark of corruption, and said amendments are also illegal and bear no authority, and can be violated by the citizenry directly.